Hello students, myself Professor Ashok M. Jain. In this lecture I am going to talk about some numericals based on the initial and final conditions of initial and final conditions, and this is based on the transient solution of RLC series circuit. So here I am going to talk about three numericals based on the initial and final condition. Okay, so this is the question number 1. Find I2 0 plus di2 by dt 0 plus, and this is d square I2 0 plus by dt square. Actually, this is the other way. If you want, you can write like this also: d square I2 by dt square 0 plus. Okay, anyway, so I had to find. So initially you can say switch was open, right? And I'm closing the switch at t equal to 0. This is at t equal to 0, I'm closing the switch. So at t equal to 0 plus, how the circuit will behave, right? This is the closed V, R1, R2. Agar initially switch was open, what was the current flowing? 0. करंट फ्लो नहीं हो रहा था तो कैपेसिटर का क्रॉस वोल्टेज क्या होगा? 0. कैपेसिटर चार्ज ही नहीं होगा, और अगर वोल्टेज अक्रॉस कैपेसिटर 0, इसका मतलब इट इज एक्टिंग एज शॉर्ट सर्किट, राइट? एंड सिमिलरली इंडक्टर के अक्रॉस करंट कितना है? करंट वाज 0 अर्लियर, क्लियर? सो जस्ट बिफोर 0 था तो जस्ट आफ्टर 0, इसका मतलब करंट 0 का मतलब क्या होता है? ओपन. Okay, so the circuit will behave like at t equal to 0 plus, circuit will behave like this. So what is the value of I1 0 plus and I2 0 plus? So I am getting I1 0 plus equal to V upon R1. They have not asked, but we have to require. Okay, and I2 0 plus क्या है? I2 0 plus is what? It is open, so I2 0 plus is 0. That is the two answer I got it. Okay, now I close the switch at t equal to 0. Close the switch and write KVL. Actually, I have closed the switch at t equal to 0, and we have to write the KVL because we have to find di2 by dt 0 plus and d square I2 by dt square 0 plus. So I'm going to draw the circuit. V, R1, R2. This is what? C1. This is what? L1. Right? This is I1. This is I2. I'm writing the KVL, right? So loop 1. Loop 1. What is our loop 1? R1 I1 plus 1 by C. 1 by C1. Sorry, 1 by C1. Integration of I1 minus I2 dt. Okay, equal to V. This is equation number 1 I got. Loop 1. Loop 2. Loop 2 R2 I2. Loop 2 में current is flowing I2. So R2 into I2 plus L1 di2 by dt plus 1 upon C1 integration of I2 minus I1. When you are writing loop 2, so I2 is more than I1. We will take I2 as a reference. So these two are opposite to each other. So I equal to no source equal to 0. Equation number 2. I got it. Clear? Now I have to find di2 by dt 0 plus at t equal to 0 plus. At t equal to 0 plus. This shows the voltage across capacitor. This shows the voltage across capacitor. What is the voltage across capacitor at t equal to 0 plus 0? Yes, you can see voltage across capacitor क्या था? 0 था, तभी तो हमने इसको short assume किया है. Okay, so R2 at t equal to 0 plus R2 from 2 actually, from 2, from 2 this equation. R2 I2 0 plus कितना है 0, I2 0 plus is 0 plus L1 di2 by dt 0 plus whole term indicates the voltage across capacitor 0 equal to this is 0. This equation is okay. So if you do it, you can get di2 by dt 0 plus equal to what? You are getting 0. That is the answer. First answer I got this. I got this. I got this. Okay. Now I have to find d square I2 by dt square 0 plus d square I2. इसका मतलब आपको कुछ नहीं करना पड़ेगा. Differentiate 2. आपको d square I2 निकालना है तो you have to differentiate this. So you will get R2 di2 by dt. If you differentiate 2, so R2 into di2 by dt plus L1. You will get d square I2 by dt square plus 1 by C1. You will get I2 minus 1 by C1. You will get I1. इसको डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे तो ये 1 by C1 I2 आएगा माइनस 1 by C1 I1 आएगा इक्वल टू व्हाट 0. इक्वेशन नंबर 3. So I have differentiated 2. Now at t equal to 0 plus, at t equal to 0 plus I am going to put the value. So at t equal to 0 plus I am getting R2 di2 by dt 0 plus कितना आया था 0 plus L1 d square I2 by dt square 0 plus we have to find plus 1 by C1 और I2 की वैल्यू कितनी थी 0, I2 0 plus की वैल्यू 0. ओके माइनस 1 by C1 और I1 0 plus की वैल्यू कितनी है V by R1, V by R1 इक्वल टू 0. सो ये तो 0 हो गया, दिस इज 0. So you will get d square I2 by dt square. If you do it, this equal to ये उधर जाएगा तो प्लस हो जाएगा, क्या आएगा d square on solving equation number say 4, on solving 4 so I am getting d square I2 by dt square 0 plus d square I2 by dt square 0 plus I am getting v, ये माइनस उधर जाएगा तो प्लस v by C1 R1 और ये L1 इधर आएगा तो L1. So I am getting V upon L1 C1 R1. I am getting L1 C1 R1. Okay, that is the answer. I am getting it. Okay. Next. Okay. So this is the way of getting the answer. Okay. So if you do it, you can find I2 0 plus di2 by dt 0 plus and d square I2 by dt square 0 plus. Okay. Now I'm going to solve one more problem. I'm going to solve one more problem. Okay, that is a problem number 3. I'm rubbing it. Okay, next. I'm going to solve one more problem. This one. Okay. Next problem. Problem number 2. In the circuit shown in figure, switch K is closed at t equal to 0. Switch K is closed at t equal to 0. Assume 0 initial condition. Find I1 0 plus, I2 0 plus, di1 by dt 0 plus, and di2 by dt 0 plus, and d square I2 by dt square 0 plus. So many quantities we have to find. First of all, at t equal to 0 plus, just after operating the switch, how the circuit will behave, that is the V0. Okay, R will act as R. We will see what is L कैसे act करता है. R2 will act as R2. Okay, so R1 and R2 will act as R1 and R2. Now just before switch was open, if the switch was open, capacitor was carrying the current or no? No, it was not carrying the current. इसका मतलब है voltage across capacitor क्या हो गया? Zero. Zero मतलब short. It will act as short. And current was also zero through inductor. Current zero का मतलब क्या होता है? Open. Clear? So this is the condition. I1 0 plus, I2 0 plus. So I1 0 plus क्या है? Answer I1 0 plus. I have the answer is V by R1. V0 by R1, that is the first answer, and I2 0 plus is the second answer. क्या है? I1 0 plus or I2 0 plus. We will get these two answers. So I2 0 plus is 0. So I got these two answers. Okay. Now remaining answer, if you want to find, what we will do, we will close the switch. Close the switch at t equal to 0. At t equal to 0, and write KVL. And write the KVL. So I'm going to close the switch and writing the KVL, right? So this is V0, C1, R1, L, or this is R2. This is I1, this is I2. So we have two loop. You can write loop equation, loop KVL in loop 1. Yes, क्या आएगा? 1 by C1 integration of I1 dt plus R1 I1 minus I2 equal to V0. Loop 1, equation number 1. Loop 2. Loop 2. Loop 2 is what? L di L di2 by dt plus R2I2. This R2I2 plus R1 में क्या होगा? R1 into what? I2 minus I1. Because I2 is more. I'm talking about loop 2, so I2 is more. So I2 minus I1 equal to no source equal to 0. Equation number 2. So we have these two equations. Now क्या निकालना है आपको? di2 by dt. di2 by dt निकालना है ना? We have to find the di2 by dt 0 plus. So from initial condition, initial condition, what is the condition? At t equal to 0 plus, at t equal to 0 plus, कैसे behave कर रहा था? L di2 by dt 0 plus, L di2 by dt 0 plus plus R2. I2 कितना है? I2 0 plus देखो 0 है, into 0 plus R1 in bracket I2 0 है minus R1 कितना? V0 by R1. V0 by R1 equal to 0. So from here you will get di2 by dt 0 plus. Yes, you will get di2 by dt 0 plus equal to what? ये माइनस टर्म, ये R1 कैंसिल, सो ये माइनस टर्म उधर जाएगी तो V0 प्लस हो जाएगा और यहाँ से L वहां जाएगा सो डिवाइड हो जाएगा. ओके, सो V0 by L, दिस इज द आंसर, आई गॉट इट. V0 by L. ओके, एम्पियर यूनिट क्या होगा? एम्पियर पर सेकंड. क्यों? di2 by dt है तो ये एम्पियर पर सेकंड. सो V0 by L. सो दिस इज द आंसर आई गॉट. di2 by dt 0 plus, I got it. What? V by L, V0 by L. रिमेनिंग आंसर आपको निकालना है अगर आपको, तो क्या करेंगे हम? अभी रिमेनिंग इक्वेशन क्या निकालना है आपको? निकालना है ये di1 by dt. di1 by dt कैसे मिलेगा? ओके, तो अगर इसको डिफरेंशिएट कर दिया तो डी स्क्वायर आई टू मिलेगा और i1 नहीं. सो डिफरेंशिएट 1. ओके, सो di1 by dt निकालना है तो वी हैव टू डिफरेंशिएट 1. सो डिफरेंशिएट 1. ओके, सो आई एम गोइंग टू सेपरेट सीट. ये इस इक्वेशन को हम डिफरेंशिएट करने वाले हैं. ओके, so I'm differentiating 1. Just I'm going to use another sheet here. I'm rubbing it. I'm using, just I'm differentiating 1. Differentiate equation 1. You can see what is 1. Just I'm going to write the equation 1 again. What was the 1? देखो R1, it was 1. R1 I1 minus I2 plus 1 by C1 I1 integration I1 dt equal to V0. That is the equation number 1. Okay, so I have this one. So I am differentiating 1. So क्या आएगा? If you differentiate 1, क्या आएगा? R1 di1 by dt minus R1 di2 by dt plus 1 by C1 I1 equal to, I will get 0. When you differentiate, P0 is a constant, so if you differentiate it will be 0. So at t equal to 0 plus, so you will get R1 di1 by dt 0 plus at t equal to 0 plus, so R1 di1 by dt 0 plus, okay, minus R1. What is the value of di2 by dt 0 plus? di2 by dt 0 plus कितना था? V by V0 by L plus 1 by C1. 1 by C1. And what was the I1 0 plus? I got V by R1. ये हम निकाल चुके पहले आंसर, equal to 0. So we will get from here, I will get di1 by dt 0 plus equal to what? ये 1 by r इधर आएगा तो डिवाइड होगा 1 by r1. ये वहां जाएगा तो प्लस हो जाएगा क्या? R1 V0 by L और ये माइनस हो जाएगा V by R1 C1. तो अगर इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? ये R1 कैंसिल, V0 by L आएगा इधर एंड यहाँ माइनस V by V0 by R1 square into C1. You will get. This is the answer, I got it. Okay, this is the answer. di1 by dt 0 plus. And last में हमको क्या निकालना है? d square i2 by dt square. d square i2 by dt square 0 plus. इसके लिए हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा ये निकालने के लिए? We have to differentiate 2. If you differentiate the equation number 2, so you can see the 2. Just see the 2, equation number 2. ये दिया है. मैं पहले एक काम करता हूँ, मैं 2 पे जाता हूँ. What is the 2? ये 2 है. क्या है? L di2 by dt plus R2 I2 प्लस 1 बाय R1 I2 minus I1 equal to 0. So मैं ये 2 लिखता हूँ उधर and then I will differentiate out. Okay, so just okay, differentiate 2. So what is the 2? What is equation number 2? पहले equation number 2 क्या है? L di2 by dt plus R2 I2 plus R1 I2 minus I1 equal to 0. Actually sorry, ये capital हो गया, ये lower case में हो गया, but it is okay. Now differentiate 2. Differentiate 2. When you differentiate, you will get L d square I2 by dt square, right? I'm differentiating it. L d square I2 by dt square plus R2 di2 by dt plus R1 di2 by dt minus R1 di1 by dt equal to 0. So at t equal to 0 plus, I'm going to put the value at t equal to 0 plus. So यहाँ क्या आएगा? L d square I2 by dt square 0 plus minus R2. What was the value of di2 by dt 0 plus? It was V by L. V by L minus sorry, दो बार आ गया क्या? This is not R2, this is R1. R1 di2 by dt and minus R1. Okay, so minus R1 और di2 by dt 0 प्लस की वैल्यू की थी V by L, V0 by L, sorry, V0 by L प्लस माइनस R1 एंड di1 by dt की वैल्यू क्या है? ये है, ये. So I got this R1 di2 by this minus R1 and di1 by dt 0 plus ये है क्या? V0 by L minus V0 by R1 square C. ये वैल्यू I got it. Clear ना? So you will get this value. Sorry, ये क्या हो रहा है? It is plus R1, ये प्लस है, ये प्लस है. This R1 di2 by dt. Okay, so this plus and this minus will be cancelled मल्टीप्लाई होने के बाद. ओके, और ये माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा. सो यू विल गेट L, मैं यहाँ लिख रहा हूँ, प्लीज सी हियर, दिस इज द प्लेस आई एम गोइंग टू राइट हियर. L d square I2 by dt square 0 plus this L d square I2 by dt square 0 plus equal to ये उधर जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? प्लस V0 R2 by L. ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा, ये माइनस माइनस प्लस इधर हो गया और यहाँ इक्वल टू 0 था, सॉरी. तो यहाँ माइनस माइनस प्लस हो गया. क्लियर? ये माइनस और मल्टीप्लाई होने के बाद माइनस माइनस प्लस और वहां जाएगा तो माइनस क्या आएगा? V0 और ये R1 कैंसिल होगा तो R1 बचेगा डिनोमिनेटर में, R1 into C. Okay, so I am getting answer. I am getting d square I2 by dt square 0 plus इक्वल टू, ये यहाँ जाएगा तो L 1 by L हो जाएगा और ये होल टर्म एज इट इज, ये टर्म. ओके, एंड यू कैन से V0 कॉमन है तो आई एम गेटिंग V0 कॉमन बाई L, that is the answer, V0 by L, okay, R2 by L, R2 by L. Sorry, what is happening? ये उधर जा रहा तो सॉरी, यहाँ क्या है, दिस इज प्लस है, ये दिस इज प्लस, वहां जाएगा तो ये माइनस, ये माइनस, ओके, दोनों माइनस है, ओके, सो माइनस, एक काम करता हूँ, आई एम गोइंग टू टेक माइनस कॉमन, इक्वल टू, ये माइनस साइन बाहर लिया, V0 बाई L कॉमन लिया तो क्या बचेगा इधर, R2 बाई L प्लस, प्लस क्या आएगा, 1 बाई R1 into C. That is the answer, I got it. So I'm getting di2 by dt square, d square I2 by dt square 0 plus equal to minus sign V0 by L in bracket R2 by L plus 1 by R1 C1. That is the answer I am getting. Okay, so please, whenever you are going to do, it is a very critical problem actually. Whenever you are going to solve, you have to take care, okay, and you have to take care, but that is the point we have to keep in our mind. तो अगर कुछ भी गलती हो गई है प्लस माइनस साइन में, so there may be chances of you will not get the marks, okay. So I'm coming back, rubbing it. I will solve one more problem, okay. So problem number 3, and okay, one more problem I'm going to talk. This is example number 3, sorry, 3. So here I have given in the circuit shown in figure switch K is opened at t equal to 0. इसका मतलब है earlier switch was closed. अगर switch closed था ये, तो whatever the current was flowing here, current was flowing through capacitor was 0. क्यों भाई, ये अगर close है मतलब ये short है, शॉर्ट तो पूरा का पूरा करंट यहीं से फ्लो हो रहा है ना, यहाँ से करंट 0, सो VC 0 माइनस इक्वल टू VC 0 प्लस इक्वल टू 0 means it will act as short circuit, it will act as short circuit. So circuit कैसे behave करेगा, like that, 10 ampere at t equal to 0 plus, कैसे behave करेगा, 10 ampere, clear. This is R, or capacitor act as short circuit, okay. So what is the current flowing here, current flowing through here, VC0 is what, 0, clear, and I of 0 plus क्या होगा, I of 0 plus 10 एम्पियर, पूरा का पूरा करंट यहां से आ जाएगा, ऐसा क्यों, अगर ये शॉर्ट है तो 10 एम्पियर करंट ऐसे ही आएगा ना कैपेसिटर के थ्रू, सो I of 0 plus it is 0. Actually it is not required, but वो पूछा है find the V, so V तो 0 है, that is the first answer, we got it right, we got the first answer V. I 0 plus is 10 एम्पियर है, but if it is required, actually I कहाँ लिखते हैं हम करंट के, इंडक्टर के लिए, इंडक्टर तो है ही नहीं है, but anyway at t equal to 0, at t equal to 0 क्या किया आपने, ओपन द स्विच, ओपन करने के बाद कैसे आएगा डायग्राम, दिस इज 10 एम्पियर, क्लियर, ये स्विच ओपन है, दिस इज R, 100 ohm, and this is the C, कितना है 1 microfarad, and this is I. Okay, 1 microfarad. Now, so actually what is happening, this is the two loops are forming, so it is better, I told you already, one loop बनाना है, इसको हम source transform कर सकते हैं क्या? Yes, we can do it. The current source connected in parallel with the resistance you can convert into voltage source. So ये आएगा plus minus V कितना आएगा 100 into 10 1000 volt, clear, or this R will come in series 100 ohm, and here one capacitor is there 1 microfarad, or here it is I, that is I, ये I मतलब ये I. Okay, so you can write KVL. So now in this figure number 3 1, figure number 2, figure number 3, write KVL. In figure number 3 we will write the KVL. So KVL क्या आएगा, RI 100I, RI means 100I plus 1 by C, 1 by C मतलब 1 upon C कितना है 1 माइक्रो, 1 by C, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ I dt इक्वल टू वोल्टेज सोर्स कितना है 1000 volt. Question number 1. So I am writing the KVL in this figure. RI that is 100I plus यहाँ पर वोल्टेज क्या होगा 1 upon C 1 upon 1 microfarad integration of I dt equal to V 1000 volt. Okay, equation number 1. Now I have to find, क्या निकालना है, V तो मिल गया आपको पहला आंसर di by dt. So di by dt इसका मतलब we have to differentiate one. Differentiate one. When you differentiate one, you will get 100 di by dt प्लस ये 10 raised to power 6 माइनस का ऊपर जाएगा तो प्लस 6 into I equal to, this will become 0. Why it will become 0? Because it is constant and differentiation of constant is 0. So at t equal to 0 plus, at t equal to 0 plus you will get di by dt 0 plus इक्वल टू, ये उधर जाएगा तो 10 रेज़ टू पावर 6 माइनस साइन हो जाएगा, माइनस दिस, आई की वैल्यू कितनी है, व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ आई इक्वल टू 10, देखो आई जीरो प्लस इज 10 एम्पियर, पूछा नहीं आंसर बट इट इज रिक्वायर्ड हियर, सो टू 10 और अपान ये 100 यहाँ आएगा तो अपान 100, राइट, सो आई एम गेटिंग इक्वल टू माइनस 10 रेज़ टू पावर 5 और di by dt मतलब एम्पियर पर सेकंड, दैट इज द सेकंड आंसर, आई गॉट इट, राइट. थर्ड क्या पूछा, d स्क्वायर i2 by dt स्क्वायर, सो कैसे निकलेगा, आई हैव टू डिफरेंशिएट दिस अगेन, इक्वेशन नंबर 2, लेट अस से 2, डिफरेंशिएट 2, व्हेन यू डिफरेंशिएट 2 यू विल गेट क्या आएगा 100 d स्क्वायर i by dt square, differentiate 2, so 100 d square I by dt square plus 10 raised to power 6, I की differentiate करेंगे तो क्या आएगा di by dt equal to 0, so put at t equal to 0 plus क्या आएगा 100 d square I by dt square 0 plus 100 d square I by dt square 0 plus इक्वल टू, यहाँ जाएगा तो 10 रेज़ टू पावर 6 बट माइनस होगा, और डी आई बाई डी टी 0 प्लस कितना आया था आपका ये इनटू व्हाट, ये आई गॉट इट, ओके ना, सो डी आई बाई डी टी स्क्वायर, डी आई बाई डी टी 0 प्लस इक्वल टू कितना आएगा माइनस 10 रेज़ टू पावर 5, सो माइनस माइनस प्लस 10 रेज़ टू पावर 11, सो डी स्क्वायर आई बाई डी टी स्क्वायर 0 प्लस इक्वल टू कितना है 10 रेज़ टू पावर 11 और अपान ये 100 यहाँ जाएगा, सो आई एम गेटिंग 10 रेज़ टू पावर 9 और क्या है स्क्वायर है तो एम्पियर पर second square. That is the third answer I am getting it. Okay. So in this way you can solve the problem. I have solved 3 problems and I think it is more than sufficient. If your concept is clear, if you are in position to write the KVL and put the initial conditions, you can get the answer. Okay, so I'm rubbing it. Please read it again and again. Okay, so your concept will be clear. Then you can solve any problem related with this. Okay. So I'm stopping here. Thank you. Thank you very much for listening me carefully. Thank you.